Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ardian Dwi Cahyo. I will present about Gojek Indonesia Marketing Strategy Analysis. Background. In the current era of globalization, there are many companies that are struggling in the world of technology. There are so many new companies that use their creative ideas in building a company by developing exciting tips of business into new and modern type of business. This can be seen from the change in business such as basic motorcycle taxis to online motorcycle taxi, where online motorcycle taxis can get customers from ordering via online. Online motorcycle taxi are a new type of business that is very profitable for various parties. Theoretical basis. Strategy marketing according to Kotler and Keller 2012 marketing strategy is a fundamental tool that is planned to achieve company goals by developing a sustainable competitive advantage to the market and the marketing program used to service these target markets. Promotion product. Promotion is one of the determining factors for the success of a marketing program. No matter how good a product is, if consumers have never heard of it and are not sure that the product will be useful to them, then they will never buy it. And next, methodology study. The analysis in this study use qualitative analysis with a descriptive research design approach. Descriptive research, namely research procedure that product descriptive data in the form of written words from people and observed before. Supported by literature study or library study based on an in-depth literature review in the form of data, a number so that reality can be well understood. And next method. The first type observation. Type observation qualitative on characteristic descriptive give description general about background observation and ingredients discussion result observation. The second technique collection data. Study literature which related with the problem article journal research for then in analysis by qualitative. The three technical analysis data. Analysis qualitative with approach descriptive. And next analysis SWOT. Strength. The first company to develop online transportation, Gojek already has more driver partner and loyal customer than other companies. The second, the choice offered to the application to consumer are more complete than other companies. Gojek offers various types of service such as GoRead, GoCar, GoBook, GoFood, GoSend, GoMart, GoShop, GoMeet. The number of culinary entrepreneurs who are interested in joining Gojek partner make the GoFood service from Gojek become one of the attraction for consumer to use the Gojek application. The many form of service for Gojek driver partner make driver loyalty increase and insurance service for Gojek partner BPJS. The 5 very efficient business model. Easy to duplication in other areas. And 7 give lots of jobs. The next weakness. The first compared to company other costs with issue for service Gojek a little more expensive, especially for service GoReach, GoCar and GoSend. The second for customer GoFood short ready waiting more long for order food which preferred. Because a number of house eat which work same with Gojek Netem which is out for prepared order. The three still often extends order fixed which harmful partner prefer Gojek. The fourth party company have dependency which very tough to driver. The fifth process business no code start without extends access internet. The next opportunity. The first expanding network and collaboration with more restaurant because there are still many consumer choice restaurant that have not yet entered the GoFood service. The second, so far Gojek service are mostly used by individual consumer. It is necessary to consider improving customer service in the form of a company especially for GoSend, GoCar, GoBox. Because Gojek still has a great opportunity to enter the logistic business to meet customers in the from companies. And next tier. The first tier arise from the government in the form of regulation and control of online traffic. Although it does not really affect the service to consumer. The second tier areas from competitor of other online service provider. This can lead to unhealthy traffic wars. The three threats for Gojek driver partners areas from conventional transportation service provider such as city transportation taxis, bus, motorcycle taxis who often share of physical or verbal attacks on Gojek driver partner. Even though it has been mutually agreed on the area that is a prohibition for Gojek driver partner. The next mixed marketing product. GoReach, GoSend, GoFood, GoClean and GoBox. Price GoReach, especially for the Magelang area outside of Rus or Rp2,500 per kilometer with a minimum fare of Rp12,000. Meanwhile, the fare during peak hours is Rp2,000 per kilometer with a minimum fare of Rp5,000. GoFood. For restaurants that do not partner with Gojek, the delivery fee is Rp5,000. Meanwhile, for restaurants that undergo cooperation and introductory tariff of Rp5,000 is charged. Mixed marketing promotion. A determination of advertising media. Determination of advertising media using internet media and also traditional marketing such as publication, talk, brochure, and also word of mouth. In addition, Gojek also conduct e-commerce in the process of selling, paying, and also building relationship with consumer. This is evidenced by the fact that Gojek use an Android application in terms of ordering its service. B. Determination of public reality. Gojek use their seat as a way to advertise their product and service to the public. Relations professionals feel that this seat is a good tool to convey product news messages, improve products, strategy, relationship, and financial income. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.